What is up, everybody? My name is Austin. Thanks for checking out my channel. Today I made the Christmas sound machine to go with my Christmas decorations. Aw, yeah. We got the jingle bells, of course.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
I don't know, I mean, I was gonna get the toy over there, but you know what, it's fucked up, and you gotta put all this stuff in the big things. What else are you gonna do? And then Santa's truck's over there, and Rudolph, he's not coming over here because he's busy. I don't know what he's doing, but he's got his nose going on, and nobody wants to play with him, so I don't know. It could just be one of those nights, you know what I mean?
Ah, fragile. That must be Italian.
Santa's coming to town! Oh my God! Santa's here? I know him. I know him. He'll be here to...
Yeah, so that is the Christmas sound machine.